What's up, guys? Welcome to another RC Dude videos. I got this Radio Link from Amazon. It's the Radio Link RC 4GS. We're going to take a closer look at it, see what's in the box. I will leave a link in the description of this radio you can purchase on Amazon. I think it was $49, or it might have been $59.99. I'll leave it on the screen. So we get an instruction manual. That's good because I got to figure out how this works. Comes with one receiver. This is actually a 3-channel. So you will have one other channel than being able to gas and go and steer if you want to like run lights on it or something like that. It comes with the Radio Link R6FG version 3 receiver. And here's a look at the radio. And that's it. That's all we get in the box. We will check out some of the functions on it. And when I know more about it, I'll do like a review on it. But for now, this was just an unboxing. Okay, guys. First thing, I forgot to mention that this is version 2 of the Radio Link RC4GS. Version 2. It's 2.4 gigahertz. And you got your SWD default to channel 3 and 4. SWD default to channel 3 or 4 here. This is your steering trim. This is your throttle trim. And this is the trim for your auxiliary channel 3. This has gyro on board. So this is your gyro sensitivity knob right here. This sets how sensitivity your gyro will be. Antenna, of course. Place for a lantern. Hanging around your neck. Over here you got your power button. This is your DSC auxiliary. Basically, if you have a video game that you can hook a transmitter to and play through the remote control, you can do it with this. And this is a USB port, which allows you to do upgrades, computer upgrades, updates. Of course, your trigger forward and back feels pretty good. Yeah. So that's basically it for the controller. 6 AA batteries. You have a place right up here where you can screw something in for your FPV camera. Yeah, let's peel this off. We don't need that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.